problem will test your understanding of algebraic manipulation. Feel free to pause the video and give the problem a shot, and keep watching to see the solution. Alright, here's how to come up with the solution. So we're going to expand all this, because doing so is going to create fractions out of a squared, b squared, c squared in the denominators. So let's go ahead and do that. A over b plus b over a squared is equal to a squared over b squared plus b squared over a squared plus 2. Okay, and let's do the same thing with the other two terms. So b over c plus c over b squared, that's going to be equal to b squared over c squared plus c squared over b squared plus 2. And similarly, c over a plus a over c squared is equal to c squared over a squared plus a squared over c squared plus 2. And if we add all these together, we're going to get how much? We're going to get 10. So adding all of these together will also give us 10. What does all of this added together give us? It's going to be 10 minus 6, so 4. So that means a squared over b squared plus a squared over c squared. I'm just going to group the terms that have the same numerator together. Plus b squared over c squared plus b squared over a squared plus c squared over a squared plus c squared over b squared. That's equal to 4. Okay, and how can we connect this equation and this expression to get this? We can try multiplying this equation with this expression, because doing so will create fractions out of a squared, b squared, c squared in the numerator, as well as a squared, b squared, c squared in the denominator. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So a squared plus b squared plus c squared times 1 over a squared plus 1 over b squared plus 1 over c squared. Okay, so this times this is how much? 1, this times this, a squared over b squared, this times this, a squared over c squared. And since this is a symmetric expression, we can kind of copy the structure of this one when we're doing it with b and c. So 1 plus b squared, next letter after a is b, next letter after b is c. Okay, and then b squared over, next letter after b is c, next letter after c is a, because we have to cycle back. There's no d in this problem. Okay, and then 1 plus c squared over a squared, same idea, cycle back, plus c squared over b squared. And we're adding all of these together. And this is exactly what we were working with here. So this is equal to how much? So this is equal to 4. So all of this together adds up to how much? 7. So this is equal to 7. This is how much? 2. So your answer is how much? 1 over a squared plus 1 over b squared plus 1 over c squared is equal to this divided by 2. 7 over 2. This is your answer.